So Dr. Sandeep, as you said that you see a lot of these couples or young girls in your clinic. Now when you see those, I want to ask you is that when you have those girls coming in, have they all achieved some kind of professional goals, and are they very well settled in their careers, most of them?
Yeah, some of them are actually, coming to me in their early 30s, some of them, one of them I remember is vice president of one of this. What happens actually that once they are sitting in front of a psychiatrist, they are just doing all the catharsis. Then they say, they tell me that, for me, my professional achievement was the prime target, and now I feel that maybe I have lost out on my personal relationships.
Right.
That is very commonly seen, and the difference in my perception and theirs could be because I am seeing that conflicted variety of population which is coming to me, and they are seeing the normal
aspiring
ones. Yes. So the other thing is, many times both boys and girls are commitment phobic, especially in their late 20s, because they would like to have friendship, or they would like to have a relationship, but the girls mostly have this fear that once they get married, they will have to follow what their in-laws say or what their husband says.
Right.
On one hand, if they feel that the in-laws are liberal or husband is liberal, then comes the issue of pregnancy. Again, they feel that once I go into this mode, then if I give birth to a child, then there will be child neglect if I don't look after the child for initially at least 2 years. So all these things are definitely putting a brake on many of the young women. The main other reason I would say that now the opportunities in the market are much more for a girl.
Right.
It is very well accepted now that women can work late. It is very much well respected. They are very well respected now, especially because of the coming of multinationals. And the trend of women working late is now increasing. So their staying for long in their working hours is also increasing. So this sort of a thing is on one hand giving them a green signal that you must go for their professional, anything you want to achieve. But simultaneously this has to be balanced, which they try, especially those who are either doing very well or they feel they can do very well. They are the one who would like to postpone it.
Right.